Hello and welcome, Class 6-4. Today is Monday, the 16th of June, 2025. Do you remember what you did yesterday? Did you play football? Or did you watch a film? To talk about things in the past, we use the simple past. In this video, you learn when to use the simple past, how to build the simple past, how to form negative sentences in the simple past, how to form questions and answers in the simple past. Let's go. When do we use the simple past? We use the simple past to talk about actions that are finished. They are over. I show you some examples. I give you a tip. Look at the verb in the next sentences. In 2020, COVID started. Last year, I visited London. Yesterday, I walked in the forest. Last night, I listened to music. An hour ago, I played tennis. Let's look at how we build the simple past. There are regular verbs and irregular verbs. Let's start with the regular verbs. They are quite easy. Look at the sentences again. First sentence, in 2020, COVID started. The verb is started. So, start, infinitive, simple past, started. Second sentence, the verb is visit, the simple past, visited. The third sentence, the verb is walk, the simple past is walked. The fourth sentence, the verb is listen, and the simple past form is listened. And in the last sentence, the verb is play, and the simple past form is played. But watch out, there are some rules. First rule, when the last consonant, for example, the P, N, or T, comes after a voiced vowel, O or A, we double the consonant. So, in the first word stop, the P is doubled. Stopped. Plan, planned. Chat, chatted. Diese Regel erkläre ich ausnahmsweise mal kurz auf Deutsch. Wenn der letzte Konsonant im Wort, also bei Stop das P, bei Plan das N und bei Chat das T, auf einen betonten Vokal folgt, zum Beispiel das O bei Stop, das Ä bei Plan und bei Chat, dann wird dieser Konsonant verdoppelt. Second rule. When a verb ends with an E, for example, love, hope, and smile, you just need to add a D. Love, loved. Hope, hoped. Smile, smiled. Third rule. When a verb ends with a consonant and y, for example, hurry, cry, or try, you write the simple past form without the y and you just use IED. I'm going to show you some examples. Hurry, hurried. Cry, cried. Try, tried. Fourth rule. When there is a vocal before the y, like A and O for example, you just put an ED at the end of the word. Play, played. Enjoy, enjoyed. But some words don't follow any rules. They are called irregular verbs. You have to learn them by heart. Here is a list of some irregular verbs. Be, go, eat, have, write, begin, bring, and the simple past forms. Be was where, go, went, eat, ate, have, had, write, wrote, begin, began, bring, brought. The second line. Do, drink, feel, forget, get, give, hear. And the simple past forms. Do, did, drink, drank, feel, felt, forget, forgot, get, got, give, gave, hear, heard. The third line. Think, understand, write, say, leave, come, by. The simple past forms. Think, thought, understand, understood, write, wrote, say, said, leave, left, come, came, buy, bought. And the last line. Make, meet, read, run, see, sit, sleep, and tell. The simple past forms again. Make, made, meet, met, read, read. Watch out for the spelling, it's the same. Run, ran, see, saw, sit, sat, sleep, slept, tell, told. To make a negative sentence, we use did not or didn't and the infinitive of the verb. Let's have a look at our first examples again. Okay, let's make them negative. Look at the first sentence. In 2020, COVID started. In 2020, COVID didn't start. Last year, I visited London. Last year, I didn't visit London. Yesterday, I walked in the forest. Yesterday, I didn't walk in the forest. Last night, I listened to music. Last night, I didn't listen to music. An hour ago, I played tennis. An hour ago, I didn't play tennis. How to form questions and answers in the simple past. To ask a question, we use did plus the subject plus the verb in the infinitive. Let me give you some examples again. In 2020, COVID started. Did COVID start in 2020? Last year, I visited London. Did I visit London last year? Yesterday, I walked in the forest. Did I walk in the forest yesterday? Last night, I listened to music. Did I listen to music last night? An hour ago, I played tennis. Did I play tennis an hour ago? Now, what about the answers? Well, for answers, you just need a yes or a no plus the subject plus did or didn't. Let us give some answers to the sentences. First sentence. Did COVID start in 2020? Yes, it did, which it did actually, or no, it didn't. Second sentence. Did I visit London last year? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Third sentence. Did I walk in the forest yesterday? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Next sentence. Did I listen to music last night? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Last sentence. Did I play tennis an hour ago? Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. So let me summarize the video again. Today you learned about the simple past. When to use the simple past. Use the simple past to talk about actions that are finished or over. How to build the simple past? Well, there are regular verbs like listen, listened, walk, walked, stop, stopped, cry, cried, love, loved, play, and played, as well as irregular verbs go, went, have, had, be, was, were. You learned about negative sentences. Last year, I visited London. Last year, I didn't visit London. Questions and answers in the simple past. Yesterday, I walked in the forest. You build the question with did, the subject, and the verb in the infinitive. Did I walk in the forest yesterday? And you give an answer by saying yes or no, the subject, and did or didn't. So it's yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Great! You made it to the end of the tutorial. Now it's your turn. Go on with the next activity on your learning path and practice the simple past with fun exercises. You can rewatch this tutorial as often as you like. See you soon and have fun learning!